So basically what you're seeing here is I just woke up and so the other day I had a mullet, a makeshift mullet, and this was just I'll see if I can salvage it. This is day 3 of the makeshift mullet, so we're gonna try. It definitely looks 3 days old, but yeah, it definitely has looked better. And I kind of have to keep messing with it until I get exactly how I want throughout the whole day. So yeah. So I'm about to go to Kennesaw Mountain with Reagan and another girl I met at the Hierophant event. If you missed that, that was my last video. Yeah, so we're gonna go paint at the park. I want to do like a snapping thing where I like transfer from here to there, but it takes a lot of work. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I won't. Okay, so basically now I'm about to be late, so. Oh, yeah. Well, you know, got those powers. So we're here at the park, and I picked up another friend, Kyler. There's about, what, is that 5? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 of us. Stop lying.
It was plugged up. Like, it was actually plugged up, but like, you have to like, oh my god.
Reagan, you look so cute. Hello. So you didn't see Madison? She texted. Do you not have service?
She, for some reason,
She said there's no parking, and I'm like, girl.
she's living on the other side of the mountain. Huh?
There's
Yeah.
parking. Oh my gosh. So do we need to?
And she
We need to tell her to come over here
I did,
because
yeah,
we're
I
not.
sent her my location. It's like, it should be this road. Like, I was telling her the road. Like, I was so proud of me because I knew the roads. I was like,
Yeah. Camcorder like type video. Oh, there she is. The bees are high. The bees are high. Like, calm down.
Calm down.
Calm
chill.
down. It's a video. Just kidding.
I thought you panned away.
Oh, let me move. Kyler said, ah!
Guys, I can sing.
Really?
Yeah, I'm waiting for the day.
I didn't know that.
I have a song that's coming out soon.
Is this supposed to be all yellow?
Today.
Alright, 1,
Literally.
2.
I did it! You did it!
Oh my god.
Snaps to you.
It's on the dead branch behind this huge broken down tree. The tree might be blocking. It's just like right there. It's like if you're looking at this rock, look past it.
Oh yeah, this one's good. This one's actually good.
He could be.
He's dark. He is. What I do with the razor?
What I do with a razor? I said the battery's actually lasting with this
I love how
thing.
you're talking away from us.
I said the battery's actually lasting. The thing likes to die.
I'll finish the rest later. I put none of my stuff. I know they're so warm.
In the sun.
I know, the tree. Watch out for the tree.
Don't eat it, give me balls.
Yeah, I did. Oh, there's a tree branch there. Yeah. Almost died. Oh, there's another tree branch there. I'm so glad I had sunglasses on because it would have stabbed me straight in the eye. So, despite the fact that it's dark outside, I'm wearing a completely different outfit and I have a full-on afro right now. It is the same day. Basically, Reagan and I had to go to orchestra, so we had to kind of cut it short. But yeah, so the day was super fun. We didn't actually finish, well, okay, some of us did finish. I didn't finish my little dog thingy that I was drawing. I'll probably post those on my Instagram once I finish them. So, well, yeah. So look out for those, but I will give you a forewarning that it could be a year from now that I finish that. I'm kind of bad at finishing art pieces, unless it's in one sitting. If I finish in that one sitting, it's great. I'm golden. My bad. But, all of that to say, I will purpose to finish that sometime in my life. Madison finished hers. It's the woods. It looks amazing though. I barely even started mine. I was doing a lot of videoing, so, and I was enjoying being out there with him. So the weather was great today. But one day when I do finish it, I will take a photo and post it for you, just for you, no one else. I mean, everyone's gonna see it, but it's gonna be for you, specifically for you. So stay tuned for that, and I don't know when. You will just have to. It's a mystery to me, as well as you. So, and I'm kind of rambling now, so I'm gonna finish this vlog out. It's just a little day in the life, I guess you would call it. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. And I'm going to leave you here.